I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. Welcome to a video about InFlow's cycle count adjusting or physical count adjusting. This is a simple steps tutorial. Be sure to watch our deep dive if you'd like to see more details on this feature in InFlow Inventory. Okay, so up here on the left-hand side, we have this box with stock counts, or over here in the middle, under this area, we've got stock counts. You can access the stock count screen in either way. And so the workflow here is you start out by creating a new count. So InFlow keeps a record of all the counts, an audit trail, which is super awesome. Select the warehouse that you're going to count and click Create, and then select the products or otherwise count all products. So I think we want to add products that we're going to count, and we can also count an entire category. We come here, we can add products by category. Location is the entire warehouse, by the way. It's not talking about bin or aisle. So if we want to count an entire category, click there. And I'll put in a little plug. Create your categories to include what's most popular, semi-popular, and least popular. This will help you with your cycle counting endeavors. We want to keep a closer eye on most popular products, okay? So we can select a product category here. In this example, we didn't do that, but we didn't do the popularity categorizing, but just as an example, you can add a whole category of products. So then once you add the products, prepare the count, fix the error messages, okay. There we go, prepare the count. And if you have multiple counters, select how many count sheets you want to have. If you just have one counter, I think there's a very small need to even print out these, in my personal opinion. But a count sheet is nice. You can pass out the count sheets so your counters can go out and count. And just to show you what a count sheet might look like, we'll give you this visual here. And then the counters will return with their count sheets. And once they come back with their count sheets, we enter in what they counted. So this screen, I think, is super easy to use. That's nice. It's kind of like a spreadsheet format. We don't have to change screens to go from one area to another. And this is an area where most mistakes happen, getting the unit of measure wrong. So it's really nice that we can double check the unit of measure and see which unit of measure they counted it in right there. So that's great. We type in and type. We're done with our adjustments. We can double check and see, okay, we made some good corrections, and complete and adjust. We've made the adjustments. That queues up journal entries to be sent to QuickBooks, crediting or debiting the inventory adjustment account and crediting or debiting the inventory account. All right, so that's the point where it's going to queue up journal entries to be sent to QuickBooks when you finalize that adjustment. So it's nice that we have these control steps before we make that final click. So if you want to have checks and balances, have operations do the count, and accounting do the final acceptance, that would be a great practice. So once you're done, this count stays in the system forever, and there's a history of it. You can always go back and see it. Be sure to watch the deep dive demo or the deep dive tutorial if you'd like to see more information about the counting steps in InFlow. And comment below, subscribe to see more helpful videos like this for InFlow.